Hello, this is Yolanda from the YouTube channel English with an Erudite. Welcome to my small urban garden. It is the beginning of June and the roses in my garden should be at their most prolific, cascading even, but it has rained a lot recently and some of them, especially the ramblers, are past their best, I'm afraid. This one is a very popular rose. It is called New Dawn. As you can see, it can grow very big. It can be much bigger than this one. The rose at the back is called Pink Cloud. The yellow rose is called Lizzie, and the orange one is Westerland. I particularly like the ground cover roses, which are a little bit kitschy. They are pink and orange at the same time. They are called Jazz. This part of my garden is occupied by three musk roses. This one is called Dinky. This one is Robin Hood. And the one with white centers is called Mozart. They grow here with three clematis plants, Arabella, but the clematis is hardly noticeable. The rambler on the trellis is called Climbing Iceberg. I've decided to get rid of this rambler this year because it's really prone to black spot. Here you can see my Angela or Angela. It's a German rose. In theory it is a shrub rose or a ground cover rose, but I train it as a climber. Another rose which I like a lot is Maxi Vita. My pink Grothendorf is definitely past its best. And so is the Rambler Bobby James. Another Rambler, Brenda Colvin. Sometime in the future I'm going to make a video about all my ramblers which I filmed earlier, and they looked much better than today. My Lickefund has almost finished flowering. I'm still not sure whether to keep it here or whether transplant it somewhere else, because as you probably know, it can grow very, very big. It's already quite big. It's outgrown um, its usefulness in my garden, I'm afraid. I don't know the name of the pink rose, which grows together with Lickefund. I propagated it myself. So it's a rose without a name, but apparently a rose without a name smells as sweet. A fantastic rambler, small rambler, which I cannot recommend enough. It's called Libertas, and it flowers in the year you plant it. So if you're in a hurry, if you want to beautify your garden quickly, please plant this rose. Finally, my favorite composition, my favorite arrangement this year, which is Florentina. Rouge Mélan Décor by the French company Mélan. And Magique Mélan Décor. I hope I can show you my roses in better weather in mid-summer. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.